You knew we were gonna do this. We finally did it. Actually, we've been working on it for a while. We didn't tell you about it. We put a Gen 6 3-liter on an older Coyote that used to have one of our Odin superchargers. It's awesome. Let me tell you why. This kit has a lot of improvements, and once we partnered with Whipple on the 24s, it only made sense to go back to the older vehicles as well and bring those same improvements to them. So we've done things in the VMP way and in the VMP style. And of course, these are gonna have VMP custom tuning included with the kits because the 15 to 23s are tunable, unlike the 24s at this point in time. This is a big change in our offering for 15 to 23s and eventually 11 to 14s, but it's what makes sense to us. It's the latest and greatest technology. We took TVS as far as we could, and it is an amazing supercharger. It still has its place in some budget applications and stuff. However, this Gen 6 3-liter is just right at home on the Coyote. We've partnered with Whipple. They produce some amazing technology, amazing quality, and we're able to bring you this performance and this technology at an affordable price point. And we're able to package it together in the VMP style, which is to enable you to modify your car at home with our custom tuning support, with our easy installation, world-renowned drivability, quality, and horsepower. So you're probably wondering, what makes this different compared to past VMP and Whipple kits for Gen 2 and Gen 3 Coyotes? Well, this is the big deal. If you remember, back in February of this year, we posted about this throttle body on our Gen 2 Coyote Predator swap car, Track Attack. And this is what we are using going forward on all the VMP Gen 6 3-liter kits. The round throttle body, it's amazing. It's really expensive from a manufacturing standpoint, but it's well worth it in terms of the drivability that gets you and the horsepower. So all of our kits are going to feature this round throttle body, super easy to tune, super high quality, and we have specific electronics for Gen 2 and Gen 3 Coyotes. In addition to this throttle body, we're going to, of course, include a VMP plug-and-play fuel pump booster. No messing around inside the tank, changing fuel pumps. The plug-and-play booster just makes sense. To support custom tuning, you're gonna get a VMP RTD with credits as well for your particular year Mustang. You're gonna get our tuning support. You're gonna fill out our tune order form. We're gonna work with you to make sure the vehicle is performing at the highest possible level. And what we find with our tuning services is that a lot of times we will catch a mechanical problem with the vehicle that would otherwise take it down, either limit performance or even damage it in the data log review process. So we consider that a very important part of helping you supercharge and modify your car, is to make sure it's safe. You're gonna be blown away with these horsepower numbers, and you're absolutely gonna want it to be safe because you're gonna be making a lot of horsepower. We couldn't offer a kit and not address cooling. This kit's also gonna have a dual pass heat exchanger and a high flow intercooler pump. And cooling's really important for horsepower, and let's talk about what it made on the dyno. This kit with a 3.875 pulley, the big round throttle body, made 783 rear-wheel horsepower. It made excellent torque as well. I am super excited. We tested this kit in a variety of configurations. This is a stage 3 kit. There will be other offerings with smaller throttle bodies, more budget minded, but we believe this is going to be the most popular kit. We wanted to get it out first. This setup never made less than 700 rear-wheel horsepower, no matter what we did to it. Stock throttle body, big pulley, etc. It ran 20 degrees of timing. We only had 4 ounces of boostane in it just to make sure it could maintain that 20 degrees all the time. One of the reasons we chose to do a Gen 2 car is because they are simpler and more repeatable. There's only 2 NOx sensors. There's only 8 injectors. The Gen 3 cars make very, very similar power to the Gen 2s, but they have a lot more variables. So we compared this to our outgoing TVS Odin style supercharger. This is unequivocally better. If you're interested, we'll do that in a future video where we show you like the A/B comparison. But overall, this stage 3 kit made 783 real horsepower. You can expect similar results in that 750 to 800 range. Is with a 3.875 pulley, so we're not even leaning on it. And I'm just super excited to offer this kit. Once again, we put the VMP DNA in this kit. We made some big design changes to basically shake up our offering for the older vehicles. New 3-liter supercharger with Whipple, round throttle body, which also necessitates a different head unit. You cannot just slap the round throttle body on existing Whipple kits. The head unit, the inlet's not designed for it, so this is unique. And we're doing the VMP fuel pump booster, custom tuning, double pass heat exchanger, our service and support behind all of it, and I just believe it's awesome, and it's the way forward for these older generation Mustangs too. We're eventually going to do an 11 to 14 kit. There's a little bit more of a challenge getting the round throttle body on that vehicle. Everything we're doing with Whipple and the 24 ups is finally available for the older generations. These kits for Gen 2 and Gen 3 are on pre-sale for Black Friday. They are 10% off. They're going to ship January, February of next year. If you're interested, check out our website, give us a call. Thank you for trusting us with your supercharging and tuning needs for your Mustangs. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.